Hey dudes, today I am going to talk one of the most interesting information I am told you. Whatever it is, the information is about one of a drone helped a old woman. What is that a drone? Drone is ordinarily using for many places, and kids using the drone to play, and men's use the drones to take a video camera. You're using short films and many things. The drone which is used for many uses in the current world, but at right now as April 19th, there is one of the amazing creature had on this our earth. Our earth has one of the gotten old woman was a 44 age or one woman was saved by one drone. Are you believing that was true? It is a believable. One drone saved a 44 years old woman's life. How it is possible? I telling how, which is the drone which helped the one of woman. The woman got a dialysis at 8 years. 8 years he has got a dialysis. At right time he gotten going to die one hospital, but at time the woman wants a kidney. Kidney was in the place which is called University of Maryland Medical Center, but there is so much traffic and not able to reach at the time to that hospital. If we late to reach the hospital, the woman will die, the 44 age that woman. But the University of Students has have planned to one has make one drone and putting the drone as one of the that kidney organ, and the using that remote control to deliver the that kidney to that hospital and save that woman life. As a technology development, as a future, the drone was serving as many people. I am telling the drone is one of the most useful thing at right now in our life. We are using drone at everywhere. We are playing gamings and drone was many places. But what I telling, drone is one of the topmost technique in future, and in medical fields drone is helping many persons on organ transition. In some of the times it is very hard to transfer some of the organs in cities, because the cities has high level traffic and many things will happen. But all over it is everything should be secured with the help of these kinds of drone. In future drones are highly helpful for everything and many small problems. And if there is a problem at causing tsunami, many of person have stayed in top of the buildings. With the help of drone we can easy to supply foods, because launching a helicopter is highly hard, because every time going the helicopter and coming, and it's a high time wasting. But we launching a drones, we can making many drones, because it is a low of cost. We can easy to make drones and we can help many people with the drone, using the drone technology to be powerful and worthy and helpful to many people. That's my thought. And drone is one of the most biggest development in this current world. And I'm telling, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my difimidx channel. Bye bye, tata.